Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you what to do if your screen freezes on the Samsung Galaxy A16. There's a simple button combination that you hold that will automatically restart the phone that will usually fix any glitches with your screen. So let's give it a shot right now. We're going to hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the entire screen goes blank, just like this. Power, volume down. We're going to hold them together. 1, 2, 3, hold. And it will take you to this screen. Continue to hold those two buttons, and after a few seconds the whole screen will just shut off, just like this. As soon as the screen goes off, basically put the phone down, give it a few seconds, and it will automatically restart itself. For whatever reason, if this phone doesn't come back on right away, no problem. Just simply press the power button for 1 second and that will turn the phone on. Now, if this does not work and the phone comes back on but your screen is still glitching, you might have a hardware issue. This fix is meant to fix software related glitches or app related glitches. So if your touchscreen is still not working properly, one question I would ask is your screen cracked anywhere around the edge of the screen or in the middle? If the screen is cracked, then you should take your phone to your local cell phone repair shop and have them diagnose it from there. You probably need to have your screen replaced. You can also go to Samsung.com, connect with their web support, which is free, to talk through some different troubleshooting options for the phone. One more thing, guys, check out this really cool Samsung fitness tracker. It's been out for about a year. This is a really cool tracker for those of you looking for something to track your steps, your heart rate, track your meals, track your water. This little tracker is so cool. It's at a great price, only $59.99. It links right up with your Samsung phone, and it'll help you keep track of your fitness stats and all your activity, and it is water resistant as well. So if you're interested in this, I'll have it linked on screen right over here. Check this thing out. It's a great price, but it'll only be that price for a short time, so make sure you jump on it while it's this low. Also, if you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. I'm going to link here to a playlist with more videos on the Samsung Galaxy A16, and you'll find another really helpful video right here as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.